Good morning, students. In today's class, we are going to learn about technologies, topologies. Okay. In the last class, we have learned the types of network and the devices used in the network, like repeater, modem, gateways, and all. Today, we are going to learn about topology. Topology is basically the physical structure the hardware in the network. Topology means structure of the network, how the computers are getting connected with each other, how they are situated and they are kept inside the network, how they are connected, how the other devices are connected with the computers. That architecture is known as topology. The physical structure of the network is known as topology. That means whenever we are going to create the diagrammatical representation, that will show how the topology is going to work. Now, the topology is having three types: bus topology, the first one is bus topology, second one is ring topology, and third one is star topology. Third one is star topology. These are the three types of topologies, and because the structure of these topologies are different, due to that the network also differs. Their working style also differs. Now let us see कि बस टोपोलॉजी में क्या होता है, रिंग टोपोलॉजी में क्या होता है और स्टार टोपोलॉजी में क्या होता है, and which one is best for networking. First we will discuss bus topology, that is also called linear topology also. Okay, so first we will discuss bus topology. In bus topology, why this is called bus or linear? Because all the computers are connected through the same cable. Here a main cable is there and all the computers are getting connected with that cable. These are computers. This is the architecture of bus topology or linear topology. This is the architecture of bus topology or linear topology, and stopper is there at the both ends. They are going to stop the signal so that the signal will not go out from the network. Why this is called bus topology? Because all the computers are connected through the same cable, that is known as backbone. That is known as backbone or main cable. All the main cable. And these computers are known as workstation. These all computers are known as workstations. This is the topology which is used ये तभी यूज़ करना चाहिए जब आपको मिनिमम नंबर ऑफ कंप्यूटर 4 और 5 कंप्यूटर मैक्सिमम 10 कंप्यूटर्स यू हैव टू कनेक्ट in a network. Then only we have to go for this one because this is very easy to implement. The advantage of this topology is it is very easy to implement. बहुत आराम से आप बना सकते हो, इसको नेटवर्क को establish कर सकते हो, and the cost of implementing this network is also very low because the devices which are getting used in this topology is very minimum and they are low costly. That's why the cost of this network is low. But when the cost will be low, then the disadvantage will also be there because if any breakage in the backbone is going to come, the whole network is going to suffer. कहीं भी अगर बैकबोन में कट लग जाता है या किसी भी केबल में कोई भी केबल आपका डैमेज हो जाता है, इन दैट केस द होल नेटवर्क विल सफर. फिर पूरे के पूरे नेटवर्क में डेटा ट्रांसमिशन बंद हो जाता है. दैट्स व्हाई वी आर नॉट प्रेफरिंग दिस वन. व्हेनेवर वी आर रिक्वायर्ड अ सिक्योर नेटवर्क और स्पीड डेटा ट्रांसमिशन नेटवर्क, then in this type of network because this is implemented in a small network, that's why we are not using the devices for congestion control, for the data collision detection. When we are transmitting the data, if two devices wants to transmit the data at the same time, that is not possible in this type of network. That's why also we are not using. That's why it is called linear network, linear topology. That means in sequence only the data is going to transmit. The data is not going to transmit parallelly. That's why this topology is not getting used that much. When the beginners are going to make the network, जैसे घर पे आपके पास 2 या 4 कंप्यूटर्स हैं and you want to share the data among them or you want to learn how we are doing networking, in that case we are using now. But earlier this was the only type of topology which we were using. The next type of network is ring topology. But instead of bus, that is ring. Because this topology is having a circular shape. That's why it is called ring topology. That's why it is called ring topology. This is having a circular shape. That's why this is called ring topology. The backbone of the bus topology is going to become a circle. Both the ends are getting joined together to form this circle and the computers are getting connected like that. The computers are getting connected like this. These are the computers connected at this one. In topology, we are learning that the structure of the network. So here, by connecting both the sides of the cable, we are reducing two stoppers, and they are very low costly devices, and the breaking of those devices are very easy. That's why it was suffering. Remaining all the things, almost all the things are same in bus topology as well as ring topology. Still the data is getting transferred in the form of serial transmission. Still in ring topology also we are unable to transmit the data parallelly. Two computers at a time cannot transmit the data to multiple computers. That was the advantage. This is also very easy to implement because this is very much similar to the bus topology, but due to the structural change, this topology is having different name, ring topology. Okay? And then this topology is having a technology called token. That's why this is also known as token ring. Ring topology. That token is a special type of signals, carrier signals, which are used to transmit a data from one computer to another computer. वो एक carrier की तरह use होती है. उस carrier के ऊपर whatever messages we want to send from one computer to another computer, that is getting loaded on those tokens, and those tokens are continuously running through the network, and they are used to transmit the data from one computer to another computer. That is token ring topology. Okay? The next one is star topology. Next one is star topology. The name only suggests that this is not like bus topology or ring topology. This is little bit different from, I think all the computers will be not attached with a single cable. They will be having different cable. That's why it will be looking like star topology. Let us see what is star topology. Star topology is having a central device that is going to connect all the computers. Here in star topology, a central device is getting there, and that is used to connect all the computers separately through separate cable. And this device name is, central device name is hub or switch. These are the two types of devices which are getting used as a central device whenever we are implementing any of the star topology network. And this is the most secure and suitable network for any of the organization. I am going to tell you why this is most suitable and secure network. Because like in bus topology, any of the breakage of cable or any of the devices, the whole network was going to suffer. But here in this one, star topology, if the cable is getting damaged from here, what we have to do is, we have to remove the cable from the central processing device of this particular computer. This computer will be removed from the network, and the whole network will be unaffected from that damaging of the cable. After repairing the cable, we can connect that computer also. So, due to the damage of any of the device in this network, the whole network is not going to suffer. That particular block is going to suffer. that particular computer is only going to suffer, and that can be easily removed from this central device, because through central device all the computers are connected through plug-in. That means उनको हम कभी भी लगा सकते हैं और कभी भी निकाल सकते हैं. Understood? I hope you are understanding the concepts. So that's why this is very much secure, and at the same time all the computers can send the data from each other. एक दूसरे को वो डेटा भेज सकते हैं. There is no serial communication. There is broadband communication with this device, and all the computers have to communicate through this device. सारे अपनी request इस device को भेजते हैं, and then this device is processing the data and sending it to the other computers, target computers. ठीक है, in the network. And this device also checks the collision of data. बहुत सारे लोग at a time अगर data transmit कर रहे हैं, तो in that case the collision chances will be there of data, that also this device is taking care. Switch also takes care of that one. And this device is also used for sharing the resources. If you want to share a printer or a modem in your network, say for example you are having 5 computers in your network, they are connected with a switch, और 5 कंप्यूटर पे अगर आपको नेट यूज करना है, तो what you have to do is only you have to connect the modem cable through this switch. Automatically all the computers are capable to access that network coming from the modem in equal speed. The equal speed of the network is also not going to be damaged, and they are not getting slow. That will be stable, and that will remain same if you are going to increase the number of computers in the network. Only when you are going to use the data on each computer, the pressure will increase on that computer, this device, and you will get the low speed. Otherwise, this device is going to share the speed. It is not going to divide the bandwidth. Okay, I hope you understood this one. Topologies. Next we are going to learn instance messaging. That is very much popular in you type of students. All of you are knowing social networking. All of you are knowing about social networking. Most of you are using also. And these online classes are also running with the social networking site, YouTube. We are having channels, and there we are uploading the data, and you are able to view the data through login and all, by subscription and all. ठीक है, तो instant messaging is what I think all of you are knowing. Instant means the thing which is happening very fast. That is known as instant. That is known as instant. That is the process of sending a message to the people who are connected through internet. And the medium of sending the message is internet. Through internet only we are sending the messages, and those messages are transferring with the speed of lightning speed. हमने इधर से ट्रांसफर नहीं किया, सेंड नहीं किया कि उधर पहुंच जाना है. The messages are moving with the speed of light. ठीक है? So these are the technology we are using, and what we can do with internet instant messaging, that we are going to learn. Through instant messaging we can send or receive messages from any computer or any internet device to another internet device in the whole world, if we are having the address of the receiver. Okay, send and receive documents Nowadays, if we have to send our PAN card, xerox of PAN card, photo of the PAN card, or any of the proof, we have to take admission, we have to get loan, we have to open the bank account as well as there also if the document is required, that also we are sending through mails as well as we are uploading also. Okay? So we can send the document through instant messaging. Then next one is we can share our media files such as images, audio and video. We can also share video as well as audio. With message you can send the audio message also, video message also. And apart from that, we can do audio call as well as video call also. Then everything which is having advantages, that is also having disadvantages. So we are going to learn what are the advantages and what are the disadvantages of this instant messaging. Advantage is compared to email, this is easier to carry conversation. Through email we have to go on the website and then we have to do by logging in our mailbox. Here in instant messaging we can do the direct call or we can send the direct message without doing any login or anything. Okay? And the disadvantage is it is not convenient as mail for lengthy or complicated messages. If you have to send bigger messages, so we are getting very small screen to type and we are getting very less number of words to send in the instant messaging. But in email we can write a document also. We can write a big letter also, we can write a document also, that also we can send through mail. So whenever we have to send complex messages, bigger messages, in that case we are using email instead of instant messaging. The second one is we can stay logged in while doing the things. In instant messaging we do not require login, but in this one mail we have to do log out when our work is getting over. In instant messaging we do not require other person to be online. We can send the message whenever he will be online, he will receive the data. Then it is very good for quick messaging, but it is not fit for larger documents like emails. So these are the advantages and disadvantages. Now next one is instant messaging versus chat. Chat instant messaging also all of you know, but some more things I am telling you. So whenever we are doing continuous messaging and we are getting a reply from other, live reply from other after each and every message, you are getting the answers from the receiver, that is called chatting. That means at the same time you are getting reply, that is called chatting. Okay? Messaging means you have sent a message, when the people will become online or when the people will read that particular message, then only you will get the reply, or sometimes you will not get the reply. But in chatting we are getting the reply instantly, and that is the process which is going on. That is going on process. That's why it is called chatting. Common IM services, the software or the features of internet which are providing IM services are Google Hangouts. All of you might be knowing through Google Hangouts we can do everything whatever I discussed in IM. Then Facebook Messenger, Skype, WhatsApp, Telegram, Pidgin and Audium. These are the more popular softwares which are used for internet instant messaging. But there are so many other than these softwares. Okay. Now, in this book, I hope all of you have got the book. In this book, some steps are there how you can do the instant messaging with this software that I discussed already in the previous classes. You try to do the question of this chapter. Then in next class, we will learn what is blog and what is the importance of blog. Okay. In the next class, we will learn what is a blog and what is the importance of blog. Then in the last chapter of this unit, we will learn internet security. That is too important. While using internet, what are the security things you have to keep in mind, that always you have to understand, and whenever you are doing any work through internet, you have to keep in mind all those security measures, otherwise you will be in trouble. That's why that chapter is very important. So in next class I am going to discuss that one. On Tuesday I am going to take the new class. Okay, I will upload the video. Those who have not subscribed my channel, you subscribe my channel also. Okay, thank you.